Students, it's N.A.E 4 class and we are on unit number 6. Let's start. Students, as you know, we have started present perfect tense with already, ever, often and never. And in previous video, I have told you about present perfect tense gone. Already we have used in sentences. Students, in sentences we have used already in previous video. Now let's start next page. Question number 3, students. Been, ever, often and never. Students, ever mean कभी, often अक्सर, never कभी नहीं. As you know, I have told you in present perfect tense there are two helping verbs, has and have. Third form we use. Now students, here table they have given and you will make first questions and then you will give answers. How? Let's see. Have you ever been to a match? Clear? Yes. Answer is I have often been to a match. Clear? Have you ever been to a beach? Yes. I have often been to a beach. Next. Have you ever been to a Paris? No. If you will give answer, students, no. So you will use never. I have never been to Paris. Clear? Like this, students, you will make question and give answer on your notebook. Now question number 4. Answer these questions. Use often and or never. Students, often I have told you often mean अक्सर and never mean कभी नहीं. Students, often we use in positive answer mean if you will give answer in yes, we will use often. If you will give answer in no, then we will use never. Students, never mean not. If we will use never in sentence, we cannot use not. Clear? Because never has not sense. Now start. First question. Have you ever cooked a meal? Students, you will give answers by own selves on your notebook. First, I will tell you that how you will give answer. Here, students, question. Have you ever cooked a meal? If you will give answer in yes, so you will use often. Yes, I have often cooked a meal. Clear? Next, have you ever used a telephone? Yes, I have often used a telephone. Have you ever been to a museum? No. If you will give answer no, so what you will use? Let's see. No, I have never. What you will use? Never. Because in start we have used no. I have never been to a museum. Clear? Next, students, next questions are same and you will give answers on your notebook by own selves. Clear? Now question number 6. Read aloud and spell. These are words and you will read and different letters sounds they have given, like cry, y sound here, and here IGH sound they have given. High, light, tight, night, tonight. Clear? Now students, on page number 27 there is reading the moon in the well. It means moon, chand, and in the well कुएं में, चांद कुएं में. Clear? Students, its funny story and first we will read and you will enjoy by reading the story. Clear? For students, we will read with intonation. You know that intonation mean with expression. We will read like we have read before. Clear? And then we will search difficult words in this reading and you will make sentences, then answer questions we will do. So first start. A well is a hole in the ground. There is water at the bottom. Bottom में students, bottom में नीचे, कुएं के नीचे वाली जो place है that is bottom. To get the water, we turn a handle. Here, students, you can see it's well. Clear? This lets a bucket go down the well and into the water. Then we turn the handle to bring the bucket up. Here students, it's bucket, clear? And we will take water from this bucket. One night a foolish man looked down a well. The water at the bottom was like a mirror. Mirror means shisha, you know. The man saw the moon in the water. The moon has fallen down the well, he said. What he has said? The moon has fallen down the well. He has said that चांद जो है वो कुएं के अंदर गिर गया है. I must get it out. Clear? He ran home to get a hook. Students, it's a hook. You can see. He untied the bucket from the rope and tied the hook to the rope. Then he turned the handle and let the hook go down into the well. He wanted the hook to catch the moon and pull it up. Students, he wanted the hook to catch the moon. वो moon को पकड़ना चाहता था hook के ज़रिए and pull it up. The hook reached the water and the man turned the handle to pull up the hook. But the hook cut underneath a big stone. जो hook थी students वो एक बड़े stone के अंदर पकड़ी गई, मीन वहाँ पे फंस गई. The man pulled and pulled, but the handle would not move. Suddenly, the stone moved. The hook flew up the well. The man fell on his back. He could see the sky. The moon was in the sky. Good, he said. I have put the moon back into the sky. Students, what he has said? That कि उसने चाँद को जो है आसमान पे वापस रख दिया है. Students, it's very funny story and he is a silly man. He don't know that the moon is always on this in the sky. Clear? Now students, first you will read with intonation and you will enjoy this story, and now we will find difficult words from this reading. So first is ground, bottom, handle, bucket, foolish, looked, mirror, fallen down, hook, untied, turned, wanted, reached, pulled, stone, underneath, cut. Clear? Students, these are difficult words suddenly as well, and you will make sentences on your notebook. Now students, in this lecture what you will do? Students, first you will make questions and answer on your notebook from this table, and then question number 5 you will do on your notebook by own selves, because these are very easy questions. You will use often and never, like I have told you that how you will give answers. Clear? And then reading, first you will do reading, students, with intonation, and you will make sentences from these words. You will write on your notebook and you will make sentences, and the question answers we will do in next lecture. Clear? Allah Hafiz.